What's up, flooring friends? Come ride with me to an at-home consultation in San Diego. Today we've got a 35-minute drive to my location, and of course, always safety first. Now I want to play a game with you guys from now on, and what is Jay drinking? And today, coffee. Today's project consists of replacing upstairs carpet with LVP and some rooms downstairs with LVP, and then also doing her staircase in some new carpeting. I was given a swatch to use as reference for color, so it was very simple and easy to find the samples I wanted. And as for the carpeting, she went ahead online and looked at a sample she really wanted to see in person. And it looks like that sample board had a little bit of a malfunction, so I went to repair it. And as I forgot to record, but we actually grabbed some more designs because she wanted a bit of a darker carpet. She's got two beautiful dogs, and so she wants to kind of keep in mind of them running up and down the stairs, creating a traffic pattern so that darker carpet will hide more. Looks like she's found her favorite, but it's time to head back to the office so that way I could provide her quote. And I couldn't end this video without showing you the actual star of the show, the West Coast flooring mascot himself, Jax. Thank you so much for joining me on this ride along, and Jax and I just wanted to say have a great rest of your weekend. We'll see you next week, and let us know what you want to see next. Bye, guys.